Complete the following sentences by choosing the correct option. Candidates to the Lok Sabha are elected through dash. Option A, territorial constituencies. Option B, religious constituencies. Option C, local bodies. Option D, proportional representation system. Correct answer is option A, territorial constituencies. India's dash is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Option A, President. Option B, Vice President. Option C, Prime Minister. Option D, Chief Justice. Correct answer is option B, Vice President. Find and write. Members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are known as dash. Members of Parliament. The responsibility of making laws is with dash. Parliament. Explain following statements with reasons. Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. 1/3 members of total membership of Rajya Sabha who have completed their tenure of 6 years retire after every 2 years, and equal number of new members get elected. Because the limited members of Rajya Sabha retire step by step, Rajya Sabha can function continuously. Rajya Sabha is never dissolved completely, hence it is called a permanent house. Lok Sabha is known as the first house. Lok Sabha is the lower and the first house of the Parliament of India. Lok Sabha is the House of Representatives directly elected by the people. Hence, the Lok Sabha is called the first house. Answer the following in 25 to 30 words. How are members of the Lok Sabha elected? Lok Sabha is the representative body of the citizens of the country. As per the constitution, there can be a maximum of 552 members in the Lok Sabha. The elections take place after every 5 years. To ensure equal representation to all sections of the community, some seats are reserved for members belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. In case there are no representatives from the Anglo-Indian community, the President can appoint 2 members from this community to the Lok Sabha. Explain the functions of the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha functions under the guidance and control of the Speaker. Lok Sabha represents the citizens and the Speaker represents the Lok Sabha. After getting elected as Speaker, he has to conduct the business of the House in an unbiased manner. Lok Sabha members have some rights and privileges as the representatives of the people. These are taken care of by the Speaker. Apart from this, the Speaker has to maintain the decorum and dignity of the House as well as interpret the rules of daily functioning of the House and work accordingly. Explain the steps involved in the law-making process. The bill undergoes the following process in order to be converted into a law (an act). First reading. The Minister of the concerned department or ministry or a member of Parliament presents the bill in the House. The objectives and the structure of the bill are mentioned. Second reading. The positive and negative points of the bill are discussed. The defects and faults in the bill are stressed. After removing the defects and faults, the bill is put to vote. Committee stage. Sometimes, if required, the bill is sent to the committee of the House. The bill is discussed in detail in the committee. The committee report, consisting of instructions and recommendations, is sent to the House. The bill is discussed clause by clause and then voting is taken. Third reading. The bill is once again discussed in the House. Voting is taken to approve the bill. Approval of the other House. The bill has to undergo the same procedure even in the other House. The bill is approved by a majority. Assent by the President. After getting approval from both houses, the bill is further sent for assent by the President. After the final assent and signature of the President, the bill is converted into law.